Join me as I take on the challenge of breaking free from money worries and discovering how to live my dream life. Ever feel like money is holding you back from living the life you truly want? You're not alone. The pursuit of financial freedom is a common goal, but it can seem out of reach when you're stuck in a cycle of stress and uncertainty. Imagine waking up each morning feeling confident about your financial future, ready to take on the day with purpose and excitement. We've all been there, struggling to make ends meet, drowning in debt, or feeling anxious about the future. It's like being trapped in a never-ending cycle, where every paycheck is a temporary relief, but the worry about money never really goes away. You might be working hard, but somehow you're still living paycheck to paycheck. The stress and anxiety can be overwhelming, making it hard to enjoy life's simple pleasures. These money worries often stem from deeper issues. We live in a society that emphasizes keeping up appearances and buying into the latest trends. We're constantly bombarded with messages telling us we need the latest gadget or fashion item to be happy. But the truth is, these things don't bring lasting fulfillment. Add to that the lack of financial education in our schools and homes, and it's no wonder many of us struggle to manage our finances. Our mindset plays a huge role in our financial struggles. If we grew up in an environment where money was scarce, we might have developed a scarcity mindset, always fearing that there's not enough to go around. Or maybe we've just never taken the time to learn about budgeting and investing. Whatever the reason, it's essential to acknowledge that these patterns can be changed. So, what's the key to breaking free from these money worries? For many, it's about adopting a growth mindset, believing that their financial situation can improve. It's about taking control of your finances, rather than letting money control you. This might mean creating a budget, investing in yourself, or simply changing your perspective on what truly brings value to your life. In summary, financial freedom is within reach, but it requires a shift in perspective and a willingness to take action. By understanding the root causes of our money worries and adopting a growth mindset, we can start to break free from the cycle of stress and uncertainty. If you're struggling with money worries, I want to hear from you. Share your story in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on achieving financial freedom, be sure to check out my next video on smart financial strategies.